Good evening, class. Myself, Umesh R. Rathore, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department from Vallabhpuri Polytechnic, Navsari. In today's our lecture, we will learn about introduction to plant layout of the subject Industrial Engineering, subject code T51904 from Mechanical Engineering Department. So start with introduction. What is plant layout? So the word indicate layout. Layout means a paper presentation of a building, of a structure, or a home, or a drawing, known as layout. So, what type of facility on that paper presentation is given? So, the arrangement of machine, equipment, workplace, and other utilities made in industries is called plant layout. Plant layout is an important method of planning stage. As we discussed, it is a paper presentation. Proper and suitable plant layout increase productivity. If we decorate our home with proper manner, it's look better. So same way, if we arrange all type of facilities in industries properly, that it obvious increases its productivity. Here, one layout is given starting with admin office, then a raw material storage, then there is a cleaning department, then it moved to auxiliary machine on which basic primary function of processing is done. Then it moved to a production machine, then it moved to a laboratory, and then it's moved to a storage. So one directional flow of metal production is achieved. So with this we increase the productivity. So what is the definition of plant layout? Plant layout is the arrangement of machines, equipment, workplace, and other facilities established and contemplated in a way which permit the earliest flow of material at the lowest cost and with minimum of handling in the processing the product from the receipt of raw material to dispatch of the final product. What we have discussed in our introduction state. It will make a flow pattern. So it moves smoothly and indisturbedly to reach or achieve our productivity. Now, types of plant layout. In our subject, mainly two types of plant layout is given. One is product or line type layout, and another is process or functional type layout. So, next topic is what are the objectives of plant layout. The first one is provide overall satisfaction and simplification. How? By properly arrange equipment with good layout to reduce material manufacturing time. If we arrange the machine and equipment in proper manner, it is easy to find and easy to process. So the process become simple and satisfying. The next is reduce material handling. By the transfer machine and other automatic machine reduce the manual handling. If we use automatic machine or transfer machine instead of manual handling, it reduces our material handling time and better care of the product. Provide higher turnover on increased production by reducing unwanted process storage and material reducing capital investment. The material which is wastage. We have directly dispatch it from where it comes out. So there is a neither requirement of storage, and it also gain the capital investment. The next topic is effective utilization of space. Okay, layout is all about the utilization of space. So making a good use of space involves production and storage area as well as floor area. It utilizes the average space. Worker convenience and job satisfaction. By attention towards their safety, heat, ventilation, light, removal, moisture, dirt, and better incentive. If the worker work on a machine, they got proper ventilation, proper safety, light for their effective work. Labor utilization. Good method, proper design, and proper location makes better utilization of labor. Okay, with layout, we can group the workers on different machine in which they have skills. So we have make better utilization of labors. The next topic is factor affecting plant layout. The first one is man factor. Every person looks about its safety and working condition, manpower requirement, man utilization, and human relation. So the first one is man factor. If we provide them better safety and working condition, it obviously increase the plant layout facility. If we provide them proper manpower, it will affect the plant layout, proper utilization, and proper relation with them. The next one is material factor, physical and chemical characteristics. If the plant layout material is not proper, then we can't make a good product or a building or a structure. Design specification. So with good material, we have a good design also. So as per that good design, we can make a different types of product. Quantity. Quantity also affect plant layout because it's raw material, it's raw material storage, it's processing machines, and it's finished product storage. Sequence of operation. So how many machines and person labor required for such type of operation. Machine factor, process and method, which type of process we have done, which type of method we have used, machinery and tools. How much floor or space occupied by a machine or a tool, it's also affect machine utilization as we discussed in above, and the requirement of machinery as per our plan. Movement factors, routine and flow patterns, direction of flow of the work from a raw material to a finished product known as routine and flow patterns, reduce unwanted handling. If it occupied more time in handling unwanted process, material or method, it will consume more time and also affect the plant layout. Space for movement and handling method. If the person work around a machine, he need a better space for better working condition, better safety, and proper utilization of its skill towards machines. Waiting factors, location of storage after the finished product, designing waiting. If the material is achieved but the design is not ideal, it also affects the plant layout, material space for raw material, finished product, and material in process, and method of storing. And another factors are service factor, which type of service given to the either machine, man, or money. Building factors, which type of building, and the changing factor, change of environment, politics, nature are also affect the plant layout. Thank you guys. Thanks for listening me carefully.